Hello everyone, this is Rakhi and today I am going to discuss with you all regarding the online classes being held during this lockdown by all the schools and colleges. So let's just verbalize. Well, you all know that lockdown is going on and due to COVID-19, all the schools and colleges are closed, and nowadays these schools and colleges are being instructed to take online classes. Well, let's just talk about these online classes. Are they good or bad? Are they impacting the students positively or negatively? So let's see the pros first. Well, online classes are a best option to keep students engaged at home during this lockdown time. And another positive point about these classes is that the students get a good opportunity to interact with other students, that is their peer mates and the teachers. So this is a good way of interacting with other students. But if we'll see the another side, that is the cons, there are many cons. Let me just tell you what exactly is happening. The schools are making proper timetable for the students to study at home. Mostly a child is spending 4 to 5 hours in front of screen while these classrooms. Now what's happening? Actually nowadays the outdoor activities all are closed. Students are not having much to do. So students spend most of their time in front of television, laptop, mobile, tablets, etc. So in short, their screen time has been increased. So which ultimately is affecting their health, and that cannot be taken as a positive point if we'll consider about their health. Proper access to internet and other gadgets like these mobile phones, laptops, computers, still a huge population lack these facilities. So how can we consider like such classes to be positive for all the students? Then moreover, this kind of classes require a proper training for both teachers as well as students. Then only such classes can be properly functional. And what about the softwares that we are using to hold these classes? Are they safe? Are they reliable? Is it safe to use those softwares? Are they tested? As we were not aware that such conditions may arise, and suddenly now we are using any software which is available which is not properly tested, then how can we rely on online classes? And moreover, the physical presence of a teacher can never be replaced by any gadget, any machine. So we just need to think about it. Well, education system need to realize that this phase is temporary and will be over soon. Finally, I can conclude by saying that I don't mean that taking online classes is not a good option. Instead, online classes can be a good medium of instruction. We can engage students by giving them assignments, by giving them such work which require less screen time, and that will be only beneficial to students. We just need to reframe the online class taking procedure. It has to be in the way that it is maximum beneficial for the students.